Doing a lot of laundry, always check the lint vent from the back of the dryer to outside the house. Look at this. Yep, you don't want to have a fire because you're trying to do your laundry. So make sure it's cleaned out. Look at it there. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Alright, looking pretty good in there. Keep it clean. Keep it safe. Oh, look at that. I found some more up here. See? Gotta check twice so that you're safe always. There you go. Let's see. Let's get more of this out. Cleaning the dryer vent. Alright. Please like and subscribe.